Good morning, traders. Today is May 14th, 2020, and I just want to go over our weekly action plan that is emailed out every morning. And if you don't get the email, there is a link in the description below, and it'll get emailed to you daily. All right, so the market's pulling again, guys, pretty hard pre-market. Hence the reason I don't do these the night before, because you don't know what the futures are going to do. But I still was managed to find us a bunch of opportunities. Yesterday's played out great. We hit McDonald's for 200% on the options. And Las Vegas, Sands, and Mohawk came within 9 cents and 11 cents of our target. So those played out nice. I think we can do, or hopefully do, a repeat today. First one on the map, Goldman Sachs. Banks are extremely weak this morning. We got the 50-day SMA right here. We're sitting on it. That's what we close bounce off of. We are going to open up below it. I think our first target would be 165, and then after that we have room all the way down to 158.36. So we'd like to try to get a little bounce if there is one this morning, and pick up some puts on the bounce once we see it curling to the downside again. So the way you check that, I go over it every morning, but I'll show you guys. A curl to the downside, you go down to a lower time frame, like a 5-minute chart, and you'd get your bounce, and then you'd see the black lines, the 5 EMA, cross back over the 8, and that would be your entry signal. So that's Goldman Sachs. If for some reason the market starts pushing, a break above this 170.72, we'd look for almost 177.10. We do have a little resistance right there at 173.56, but then pretty much clear sailing to that 177.10. So that's Goldman Sachs. Let's look at it on a basis of reversion to the mean, and look at that. Stopped at the mean, pulled right down to 1 ATR, which is 1 standard deviation down. So 164.63 would be the second standard deviation down. Definitely doable this week. Even 158.36, if it's 2 down days, is doable this week. And as you know, the squeezes turn short. Major squeeze turn short. We'll probably fire today if we open up like this. So that's our first stock, Goldman Sachs. Second stock on the list today is Constellation Brands. Let's take a look what we're doing here. Okay, let me zoom in for you guys. One of my favorite setups, 50 to almost the 50. So 50 EMA to the 50 SMA. Okay, Constellation Brands looking to open up about 153. So that's not yet the 50 SMA. We will get a hard break if we break this 50 SMA. So same thing, everything's open up down. Got a little support at, oh, look at that. Kind of low of the day, 153.03. So same thing. See if we can catch any kind of bounce. If we can, on the crossover, take it short. With this one, I'd probably go with the 150 puts, since it's Thursday. And our target price on this, I think we have room to get down to at least 148.74, if not the 146.67 level. To the upside, because we got to go over that in case the market reverses on us. You never know with a tweet or something. Obviously, we'd have to get back above that 155.32 area. Then we have 156.64, 158.47, and then we have the 50-day EMA at 160.64, which I think will be pretty tough for us to get past today, unless the news really reverses. Gold is up again today. That's a safety trade. Let's also look at where we are on the squeeze and reversion to the mean. Same exact chart as Goldman Sachs. Was at the mean, 1 ATR down, 2 ATR down would be 146.40, 146.40, and then we have room for our 143.48 area. We've got decreasing momentum and we have a squeeze. So this is a bearish nested squeeze on the daily, meaning it's squeezing, momentum's coming down, it looks like it'll turn short. That is Constellation Brands STZ. Next on the list, we have Visa. Okay, another nice one. Okay, so we have the mean right there. That's the 21 EMA. That's all the mean is, so we don't even have to look at that other chart. The 21 EMA is the mean. We're opening up at 175, let's say. So we are going to open up below the mean. I'd wait for us to break the 50 EMA, which is 174.71. A break of that, I think we should take the 172.50 puts, and we will test 173.09 quickly, then 171.66. If that cracks, we have room all the way down to weekly support of 169.53. And the way this market's been pulling, we would probably test that 50-day SMA at 168.59. If we get back above the mean, or if we get, so here's like the perfect place to take the trade. Let's say we open up lower, we get a quick 10-minute bounce, just some shorts covering, we get to the mean, which is 175.41, and we see it's starting to reverse there. That's when you want to take it short and buy those puts. Now to the upside, we get back above the mean and hold in base above it for 10 minutes. We will then see 176.34. I'm actually going to put the mean on my charts just so I know it's there, because these are the 4 stocks I'll basically be looking at today. Then we have 176.34 and then 177.03. If we can get past that, and this would be a major reversal in the market today, guys, 178.37. So that is Visa. That is our third stock of the day. And for our last stock of the day, we have Texas Instruments. As you can see, all these stocks basically have the same pattern. That's why I picked these 4. We broke the 50 EMA yesterday. We got supported by the 50 SMA. So if the market is in general behaving downwards, they should all behave the same way. Now, sector-wise, you could have strength in chips. Then TXN would not be the one. If the market's down but chips are strong, you wouldn't want TXN. If banks are weak, obviously Goldman Sachs is the play, and Visa. So let's look at TXN. Same thing, we really don't have to go to that other chart that shows you the mean because it's right here. So we broke past the 50, and the mean is all the way up here, so we're a little below it right now. Let's see where we're going to open up. As of right now, we're going to open up, well, that's a wide spread, figure around 108. So we're going to open up right on the 50 SMA. So if that breaks, we'll take it down. I would even use, it's Thursday, I would use the 106 puts. 106 puts, and all the puts plays, guys, if you follow me on Twitter, which is at Breaking Options, I post some live trades as I'm going in there for free. So you can follow me on there if you'd like to. Break of 106.14, room all the way down to 103.82. VIX is rising. That's not a good example because that's not showing the rise. Well, here's the VXX, which kind of tracks the VIX. Up 2 points. I'm expecting it to go up higher. Means the move's going to be quicker. So, room to 103.82. Break that. We got 102.06. To the upside, stay above and base above the 108.01 area. First, you have room to 109.56, 110.49. Then you'd get back to this little cluster where we have the mean, we have daily support, and we have the 50 MA at 111.94. Hope this was helpful for you guys. If you like it, subscribe. They'll also get emailed to you through subscribing, but you'll get them quicker if you subscribe to the link in the description, and you will also get the weekly action plan. All right, have a safe trading day, and that's it. Speak to you after the bell. Bye.